everyone, I'm Adriana, and today with the help of Leonardo we are going to see how to recover True Tone when we don't have the original Apple screen. Today we are facing a very common challenge that many Apple users encounter: how to recover the True Tone function when the device original screen is not in use. We are going to explore a step-by-step solution to this problem using a specific tool from the GC brand, model JCID. Use of the JCID tool and preparation of the device. In our first step, we are going to establish a direct connection between the GC tool and our Apple device via an iPhone cable. This connection will allow us to copy the relevant data from the phone to the JCID machine to then transfer them to the screen. After ensuring that all data has been successfully copied, we turn off the mobile device and we proceed to carefully remove the existing screen. Connection of the screen to the machine. At this stage, it's crucial to connect the screen flex directly to the JCID machine. Keep in mind that each screen model has its own specific connector on the machine. Earpiece module assembly. The next step is to remove the protective plastic and carefully mount the earpiece module on the new screen. By the way, this GC tool has many more functions about which I plan to talk in future videos. In the description of this video, I'll try to put the link from where to buy it. If you work in the mobile repair shop, it's essential to have it. Verification of True Tone activation. Now we turn on the device and we can see that the True Tone function is already active on the new screen. Guys, this was our video for today. He is Leonardo and we hope that this step-by-step solution is useful to you and helps you overcome challenges associated with recovering the True Tone function in Apple devices with non-original screens. See you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.